Hi, I'm Naveenkumar Nagipogu. My tenure as a research project assistant at IISc is coming to a pass. But let me tell you what happened before this. When I was working in Hubli, it's North Karnataka, I got this opportunity to work as a project assistant at the Vishal's lab, CPDM, Impact for Impact. It was really crazily happened because since engineering second year I was preparing for the GATE examination, but I couldn't clear that. But I believed strongly that my education will empower me, my education will give the opportunities to me. Same thing happened. 2022 March first week, I was watching Rocket Boys Series 1. In that case, Satsi Raman, Homi Jahangir Baba, Vikram Sarabhai, these people met in the IISc and they were discussing much. Then I really got inspired a lot. Do you know what happened next? In the second week itself, I got the opportunity to work as a project assistant at IISc. Boom! I believed strongly, and it is happening. And in my engineering first year, second semester, my structural analysis lecturer, what he mentioned was, to step into the IISc, we should have a boom in a earlier birth or this one. I believe strongly, yes. I had a boom, and now I'm like this. And do you know crazy what happened? Now I'm about to leave IISc, right? Yesterday only I just finished the Rocket Boys Series 2. It is the story of great Indian scientists Vikram Sarabhai and Homi Jahangir Baba, and also the Abdul Kalam. Yeah, this is how it happened. Thank you very much.